variables won't matter. I say that a lot at my clinics. Variables don't matter. It dropped 20 degrees last night. Doesn't matter, horse shouldn't buck. Oh, there's other horses and they're acting up. Hey, when you're in traffic, you're only in charge of your own car. What happens to the other cars shouldn't matter. So if you have that respect and that undivided attention, none of these things are going to bother you. Going to a new trail is not going to bother you. Being around new obstacles is not going to bother you. If you do not have that horse's respect, or you have a very little bit of it, and if you don't have that horse's attention because you go on trail rides and the horse is paying attention to everything else looking around, you're going to constantly be worried. Oh, I hope my horse doesn't. I hope my horse throws it. When you go from, I hope you don't, to, I wish you would, changes everything.